How to get unlimited hearts in Duolingo. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Duolingo, log into your account. Then, you'll find hearts at the top right corner of your screen. Simply click on the heart at the top right corner of your screen. Then you'll find these options. Click on Unlimited Hearts. Now, scroll down and click on Try for $0. After you have done that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Try One for free week. After you do that, you will get unlimited hearts for free only for a week. And this is how to get unlimited hearts in Duolingo. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.